Hey cuties, we're here to give you some Valentine's Day makeup inspo. Add a piece of makeup tape on the outer corner of the eye to begin this look. Use a small brush and black eyeshadow to create a wing. Blend it from the outer corner along to the upper lash line. Apply a bright red eyeshadow on the top of it and continue to blend. Blend the red hue all the way to the center of the lid. Create a beautiful red smoky eye. It will be perfect for the day of love. Add some more eyeshadow on top for pigment and opacity. Wiggle some shimmer on top of the red hue. The sparkle makes this look even more festive. Deepen the hues along the upper lash line some more. Time to pack on some red glitter flakies on the center. So beautifully done! Line the waterline with some black gel liner. It gives so much depth to the eye look. Smoking out the lower lash and then perfecting the last details. Definitely the perfect look for Valentine's Day.